to Trend Cars, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive performance. And today, we're diving into the monstrous 2025 Chevy Corvette ZR1, now packing a mind-blowing 2,000 horsepower. Now, we've seen some incredible cars hit the streets lately, but this is something else. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 is redefining American muscle and hypercar performance with its jaw-dropping power and cutting-edge tech. 2025 ZR1 is a perfect blend of aggression and elegance. You can see the influence of track-focused aerodynamics in every curve. From the massive front splitter to the rear spoiler, every inch of this car is designed for speed and stability. The carbon fiber hood and the larger vents feed cool air to the beastly engine underneath. Plus, check out those flared fenders and aggressive stance. It practically screams speed even when. And now, let's get to the heart of the beast. Under the hood, the Corvette ZR1 features a monstrous 5.5-liter V8 with twin turbochargers, pushing an insane 2,000 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 2,000 HP. That power propels this hypercar from 0 to 60 in just 2.1 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars on the planet. And with an all-new 10-speed dual-clutch transmission, shifts are lightning fast, keeping you glued to your seat on every corner and straightaway. Interior. Inside, the 2025 ZR1 is a perfect blend of performance and luxury. You've got premium materials everywhere, Alcantara, carbon fiber trim, and a new digital cockpit display that gives you everything you need for track days and cruising. System, advanced driver aids, and multiple drive modes that let you adjust everything from suspension to steering dynamics. And let's not forget the custom-built sports seats that keep you snug while you're putting down all that power. But let's talk about the sound. The ZR1's exhaust note is nothing short of intoxicating, raw, aggressive, and guaranteed to turn heads wherever you go. This car handles like a dream. Chevy engineers really nailed the balance of power and precision with the adaptive suspension and performance-tuned chassis. You can feel the road, but it's controlled. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 starts around $250,000. And honestly, with this level of performance, technology, and exclusivity, it's a steal in the hypercar world. The 2025 Chevy Corvette ZR1 is not just an evolution, it's a revolution. This is the ultimate American hypercar, ready to take on anything that dares to challenge. Thanks for tuning into Trend Cars. Like, subscribe for content. See you next time video.